Hey there, so we are going live on YouTube. Here we go. Just wanted to check that does this works or not. Something went wrong. Try again. What is this? I'm having some issues here, but let's see how it goes. Hey there, so we are live on YouTube. All the people are watching the video. So I'm going to share the trade ideas and what trades I'm going to take in this live. So if you want to know what trades I'm going to take, go live, check it, and that video is also getting uploaded. That live is also getting uploaded, so you can check it. If you don't check it, it's your loss. There. So right now we are going to Aurangabad. Yes, how? Uh, we'll we'll discuss this later. Actually, I will only tell. वो मेरे मामा है ना पुणे से औरंगाबाद को जा रहे हैं. So he says like come with us. And I was like I thought first. Should I go or should I not? What about my studies? What about the rest of the things? But then I thought it's for just 1 or 2 days, and he's also going to help me for building the connections. So this is also a business trip, we can say. Signing off. So that's why I took the decision to go.
कॅल्क्युलेट तर करा मग कसं काय मग त्याच्यापेक्षा बरं का असं असं
Hi there, so in GBP CHF, what I'm looking here for, I have wrote it down. 15 minute I want this bullish and then I want bearish. So as we can see, 15 minute is bit sideways, but we need the retracement candle on the 4 hours. This is what we need. And also, these of the currencies I have shortlisted. Hold on. So actually I have gone live, but some of the currencies were remaining. So I have done the backtesting while traveling only, and analysis while traveling only, and now I'm shooting it. The second currency is CAD JPY. In CAD JPY I need this retracement to take the buy. Same way, waiting for 15 minutes to go bearish to bullish. Third is GBP USD. In GBP USD I need this to go bearish and then bullish. The odd CAD is the same. I want a bit different. This is like a bullish and then gone bearish. If this structure happens, then we can take the trade. This is left head and right head. This is proper head and shoulder pattern. Next is NZD USD. I want this to go bearish and then shift of structure and then go bullish. Same way in Euro GBP, the same exact way. Now here's a trick in Euro GBP. The daily is on the area of interest, right? I don't want 4 hours to go bullish on upside. I want this to go bearish on downside and then go shift of structure here. If this got bullish upside, then it will create a daily new area, so which will invalidate every single data here presented. So this is it. The next GBP JPY. So I have predicted here the two scenarios. This is a 10% scenario and this is 90% scenario. This is what long term is going to happen, but in short term we are looking for this scenario where I need 4 hours. Right now it's 4 hours is bullish. Yeah, I need 4 hours to come retrace and then give me the shift of structure where we are going to buy. The same way in GBP NZD, I want shift of structure the same. Then now NZD JPY. Here's the two scenario in NZD JPY. I want this to come here, then give me the retracement and give me the shift of structure, and also it will create the daily retracement candle, which is need. This is need. Without this, the market doesn't work like that. So CHF JPY. Now CHF JPY is creating the green candle. We need a retracement candle, which is a red candle. Same way I have also written here. You can also refer the live YouTube live. Yeah, so the last and the The last is Euro NZD. What I'm looking for here is waiting for area of interest. The price is very far from the area of interest. Network is bit loading. Money mom. So so I need this prices should come here. It will also retest the weekly EMA, which is very highly probable. Also this is going to get bearish. I want this to come here, which will make weekly bearish, then shift of structure, then weekly got bullish. It will take almost 1 to 2 months to come, to give the setup what I wanted. So this is what I predicted. Finally we have done the predictions. Now we are good to go with our weekend, we can say. Now the work is over, waiting for Monday maybe, है ना? तने कुछ बोलना है कि?
तू स्टॉक्स वरती पैसा लावतोय?
No, forex. You might be, I'm Sunday trader now.
हो, that's nice.
हो. Somebody
Beach के बनते पण घर.
coming up for the money.
Nice.
I may be crazy. Hello, where are we? कुठे आपण? कुठे सांग बरं.
आपण आज रॉक अँड रोल मध्ये आलेलो आहे.
बर. आणि
अजून काही नाही, आपण इथं रोल खाणार आहे.
काही विषय नाही. देखा कॉन्फिडेंस देखा मेरा भाई का. मोटिवेटेड भाई है ना. आई नो. चिकन किमा चीज रोल. लेट्स ट्राय. है ना? काय म्हणतो पार? तुला काय बोलायचं? नुसतं आजच कर. के मीठ के. चला लवकर खा.
ये रोल अच्छा लगा? दूसरा रोल खाएगा? हाँ?